Welcome everyone. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're taking they're not Vidalia, but they're sweet onions, and we're gonna wrap them in bacon. And I made these yesterday, they're so good. We're gonna use a thick cut bacon, and then at the end, after they're done cooking, the bacon is all nice and crispy and delicious. We're gonna brush them with barbecue sauce, and that just puts them at another level. They're great plain, but they are spectacular, fabulous, delicious, over the top good when you add that barbecue sauce at the end. So come on over and let's get these started. The only ingredients that you need, you're going to need some sweet onions. This one already started. You're going to need some bacon. This is a thick cut bacon. I'm going to be using some Sweet Baby Ray's. And I'm also going to try this dinosaur barbecue sauce. I think it's a local restaurant out of Syracuse, but there's one over in Troy. And I have never tried this sauce. It's thinner than the Sweet Baby Ray's, so we're going to give it a whirl today and see how this tastes. All you're going to need is a sweet onion. You're going to cut the top and the bottom off. Now you don't want these too thin, and you don't want them like super thick either. Whoops. So we're just going to say, I'm going to cut these into 3 pieces here. There we go. Watch your fingers. Try to use a sharp knife. So these are nice and thick. And we're going to see if we can pop the centers out just like this. Maybe, without breaking them. Now this actually is a perfect snack as well. And since like the center parts, this is probably an old onion. We're going to throw this away, or you could chop this up and use this for another use. And these are so easy to make. They're a little time consuming, but trust me, they're going to be worth the effort. Now this is very cold bacon. It just came out of the fridge. So what I like to do is you're going to pull on it a bit. This is the thicker cut bacon. So I just like to pull on it a bit just to stretch it out. You don't want to tear it. And all you're going to do is wrap these onions. I try to put the portion there just in the back. I'm just going to feed it through. There we go. And these onions take usually two pieces of bacon. And as you're doing it, you're tugging on the bacon just a little bit and holding the onion. There we go. We're going to grab another piece of bacon. You can use this as an appetizer, a snack, or you can actually put this on top of a burger if you wanted to. I haven't tried it that way, but that would be an excellent way to serve these. Just want to make sure that's tucked. Also, let me cover the Ninja Foodie Grill's ears. You can actually also cook these outside on the barbecue, but I didn't say that. And that's all there is to it. There's one right there. I'm just going to put that off to the side. We're going to do one more. And we'll get these started. Give it a little stretch or a tug. Not much bacon left there, but we will cut off that remaining portion. Once again, use a sharp knife. Put that bacon off to the side. Don't throw it away. Save it for another use or another onion. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more, and then we're going to cook these. So to make sure your roasting pan is in, we're using the air crisp basket, and the splatter guard is in. And we're just going to place these guys right in here. These are going to be epic, spectacular, amazing. Go ahead and close the lid. We're going to select air crisp. We're going to keep it on 390. We're going to hit start. I'm just going to hit air crisp again, open it, and close it so we can keep track of the time. 11 minutes has gone by. Wow. These look perfect. Gorgeous. Now, for that magic touch, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put the barbecue right on the brush. And we're going to have to rinse it in between different barbecues. We're just going to take that Sweet Baby Ray's, and you're going to brush the onions. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to do 2 with Sweet Baby Ray's, and then we're going to do We're going to try that new barbecue sauce I picked up today. You go rinse this brush, and we'll go put the other barbecue sauce on. This smells really good, this barbecue sauce. I haven't tasted it yet, so this is the first time. This is much thinner than the Sweet Baby Ray's, so let me just see if I can pour this on because, whoa. Wish this was a little bit thicker. Now, you don't have to use barbecue sauce. You can use chili sauce, sriracha. You can use basically whatever you want. Now we're just going to lower the lid and let this cook for, it's going to be less than a minute. So about a minute has passed. Let's look. Oh yeah. These are gorgeous. We're going to take these out. We're going to plate them up and we're going to do that taste test. Time for that taste test. Let me give you a close-up of these guys. Beautiful. Now they're still hot or warm. I'm going to try the new barbecue sauce first. I just want to see how that one tastes. Let me see if I can get a bite of this. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Let's try the Sweet Baby Ray's. See which one we like better. Of course, I go for the huge piece of bacon. Sweet Baby Ray's is hands down the winner. It's like eating ribs. These are they're really delicious. Take the time to make these. Have them plain. Add whatever barbecue sauce that you want, but the Sweet Baby Ray's is spot on with these. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more Ninja Foodie and Ninja Foodie grill recipes. Thanks. Thank you everybody for watching.